All right, hey everyone, welcome to the Tait booth at IWCE 2019. I'm going to show you a little bit of what we've been doing here. It's the morning before the booth gets going, so in a couple hours it'll be really busy here, but right now you get the personal private tour. So right here on our wall, we're showing off a lot of different stories around our unified solutions. The first thing I want to point out to you is our GridLink, Tait GridLink solution. So right here, this is a little application we've developed that is similar to a SCADA distribution automation control program that a utility would use. So over there on our utility pole, you can see 3 different power lines. None of them are working because we've had a power outage. But using GridLink, I'm going to be able to turn the power on to these lights. There's 1, there's 2, and there is 3. I could also turn that off. I can monitor it. It gives utilities the ability to use distribution automation in areas where they may not have been able to get that data. Because we send it, the SCADA, over our DMR Tier 3 network. It's a wide area, mission critical network that can reach places that utilities haven't been able to use in the past. So let's go take a look at this wall a little bit closer. All right, so right here we have a Tait Unified Vehicle. This is a mobile radio. Most people are familiar with these, but we have added some things into it. We have Wi-Fi, LTE, Bluetooth, a Linux board, and some custom application support. So it creates a vehicle area network. So this police car, that utility truck, are surrounded by a Wi-Fi bubble. So it connects people through a lot of different ways. We're unifying all their different critical communication networks, and that gives them a lot of abilities, right? First, just pretty standard. He can use his tablet, you can use a laptop, your smartphone, any device that you connect to Wi-Fi you can get internet access on, for running your applications, writing reports, checking whatever's going on, loading up pictures, whatever you need to do, right? But we have a lot more than just a roaming Wi-Fi bubble. There is custom application support. So on this sign up here, if I want to change the text, we have created a little application that will send a status message to the Unified Vehicle Unit, which will then change the sign. So right here, I can we'll go change that to say Tait IWCE 2019, submit, sends it to the unit, loads it to the sign. So whether you're changing a road sign, or this Hanover sign is often used on buses, you want to change route information, you can do that from control, or you can even tie it to a function key on the radio. So if you're wanting to change to a pre-selected, pre-written message, we can do that. So through the radio to the sign, and that's through Unified Vehicles App Builder. Another application, public safety. If you have a canine unit and you want to pop the door, let the dog out from your radio, we can tie that to a function key. We hit the function key, it sends a message to Unified Vehicle, which then can deploy the canine unit. There we go. So again, that was built using the Tait App Builder to create a custom application. So another app I want to show you is our asset tracking app. So I've got here the old universal key. I am very prone to forgetting things, and there are a lot of utility linemen who might be as well, or police, fire. Any organization has important pieces of equipment that you don't want to leave behind at a site. So if I were to leave that behind and drive away, we have tied an asset tag to the Unified Vehicle, and when it gets a certain distance away, it will send an alert to either the smartphone or the mobile radio, alerting the driver, alerting the utility lineman that they have left this expensive, important piece of equipment, and to turn around and pick it up before it gets lost or stolen or damaged by the weather. So again, that's the Tait App Builder. So I've mentioned the Tait App Builder a few times. If you take a look over here, I'll show you how it works. This is a very simple app building platform. It's designed so that you don't need a computer science degree or something to build applications. All of these are different inputs. So if this happens, then that happens. If this happens, then this happens. And to do that, we've created those different apps. So For instance, if I hit that function key, then the dog clapper releases. That sends the unified vehicle, it receives the message, and then sends this thing. Same with the sign, same with the bolt cutters. That's how we're doing that with the Tait app builder. One other thing on this wall. This is our new TP3000 portable radio. It is DMR Tier 2 or analog. And what is very unique about this is how customizable it is. So we have 8 different covers. You can do a customized splash screen, and we have recessed spots for labels. So, right here we have the Tait Tigers basketball team. The radio is orange, the splash screen matches their logo. And if you follow me over here, I can show you some of the different covers as well. So right here, I have a no key, no display, a 4-key display radio, and a 16-key display radio. You'll notice on these two, there's a special spot right here for labels. So if your school, your hotel, your manufacturing, if one of your brand colors is red, you can put on this red cover. You can have your logo right here with the user's name. You can put talk groups. There's a lot you can do with the labels. It's up to you. We also have customers who are using different colored radios for different talk groups, right? So talk group A uses the red radios, talk group B uses the white ones. It gives you the flexibility. These radios actually ship typically with the black cover, and then your dealer can actually change it at any time. So if you order a black no key, no display and decide you want white 4-key, you can change that at any time without having to order an entire new radio. If you want red no key, you can change it at any time. If you want to go to 16 key and then decide you only needed 4, you can go back. So it's a very flexible radio with a lot of design options to either personalize it or organize your communication system. This is part of a whole DMR Tier 2 network. We have a TB7300 base station. We've got the Omnitronics ReadyTalk Flex console. And we also have our mobile radios over there that can work on the DMR Tier 2 network. So that's just a little taste of what we're showing here. There's a lot more. You'll just have to come join us next year at IWCE. See you around.